Imagine that you want to hit the enemy with an arrow. Have you ever thought how would you calculate the exact distance from your enemy to do so perfectly? Now, just don't say that the enemy is cute so we won't hit him. Anyways, the answer is trigonometry. Trigonometry. Quite a long word, right? Don't worry, we will understand it in a simple language. This is related to a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is 90 degrees. Trigonometry helps us understand the relation between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. Suppose that we have a right angle triangle ABC. Here, angle ABC is 90 degrees. Let's call the remaining angles alpha and beta. The side opposite to 90 degrees is called the hypotenuse. This hypotenuse is common for both alpha and beta. Let's understand opposite and adjacent for alpha and beta now. First of all, let's understand for alpha. The side opposite to alpha is known as the opposite. The third side other than the hypotenuse and opposite is called the adjacent. Similarly, it follows for beta. Let's understand trigonometric ratios. There are three trigonometric ratios: sine, cos and tan. These are the ratios of opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. Now, sine is opposite by hypotenuse, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse and tan is opposite by adjacent. In our triangle, sine alpha will be AB by AC, cos alpha will be BC by AC, tan alpha will be AB by BC. If we consider the length of these sides, for instance, AB will be 3 meters, BC will be 4 meters and AC will be 5 meters. Here, sin alpha will be 3 by 5, cos alpha will be 4 by 5, tan alpha will be 3 by 4. Trigonometric functions. There are 6 trigonometric functions, namely sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. We have already seen sine, cos and tan. Now let's see the other ones. Cosec is 1 by sine, that is hypotenuse by opposite. Sec is 1 by cos, that is hypotenuse by adjacent. And cot is 1 by tan, that is adjacent by opposite. For example, cosec alpha is AC by AB, sec alpha is AC by BC and cot alpha is BC by AB. Now we have understood the basics. Let's come to our first question now about calculating the distance. Here, our height is 4 meters and the enemy's height is 12 meters. We have held our bow upwards at an angle of 60 degrees. Here we got a triangle. Let's call it BAD. Bad because it's not good to hit someone, right? Here angle BAD, that is theta is 60 degrees. AD will be 12 minus 4, that is 8 meters. We wish to know the length of BD. Here angle BDA is 90 degrees. So our hypotenuse is AB, opposite will be AD, that is 8 meters and adjacent will be BD. This means that we know our opposite and we wish to find the adjacent. So we will make use of tan theta. Tan theta equal to AD by BD. BD equal to AD by tan 60. Tan 60 is 1.732. So BD equal to 8 by 1.732, which is almost 4.6 meters. So we need to stand at a distance of 4.6 meters and then headshot. You must be wondering that how we found the value of tan 60. We will learn this in the next video. To continue learning with us, please support us and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye for now.